Now, we have different types of SQL. We have the MySQL, we have the Postgres, we have the SQL Server from Oracle, and we have also the SQLite and different types of SQL. Now, first of all, I want to dive into this particular series properly by giving you the interface of the MySQL. Now, when you first open the MySQL, it gives you this particular interface. Now, the reason why I have to highlight each part of this interface, which are the 5 main sections of the MySQL, is for you to get a clear understanding of how the MySQL works. Now, first of all, we have the query pane, wherein an individual types in his or her query for execution. And here we have the result pane, wherein you expect your query outcome. And below, with the green interface, we have the output pane, which shows you the status of your query. I normally call it the status pane because it tells you whether your query has been successful or it fails. Now we have another place where we call the transformation section. Here, it gives you the particular overview of the object which the query is being applied upon. And the last is, which is a schema, it shows you all the possible schemas that are currently working on this MySQL or that are connected to the server. Now, we go to the next slide. The next slide, I gave you a clear picture of the interface with a very clear colors. Now you have the query area, you have the result area, you have the output status, and then you have the schema. The schema is highlighted in yellow, and the query area is highlighted in light green, and for the result section is highlighted in thick green, and below here, as you can see, the output status have its own color. That's the way, and that's the layout of the MySQL.